We're going to go through now the housing and meal plan intent form as a group of 6. You can also apply this to going through the housing and meal plan intent form as an individual to select rooms. So click on the top, you can click on housing intent, or down at the bottom, you can start down here. Click on your academic year. And as you can see, this person has already went through the application process. Before I go to the rooms, I want to make sure that I have my 5 confirmed roommates so that I'm going through as a group of 6. Go to roommate requests, scroll here, and make sure that you have all 5 of your friends as your accepted roommates. I'm going to count here: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is great. Save and continue. This is where we're now at the rooms page. You can get to this again as a group or as an individual. This explains some of the processes going here and some room and bed schematics if you'd like to see those. I'm going to go here to room search. So as a group of 6, there's not many locations that have a room actually for 6 people. So I'm going to go here, and since I know I need 6 beds, click on 6. We're going to search, see what comes up. Here's some different suites and houses. I'm looking for Lashana for this group. Here is 2 apartments it looks like that are available. So I'm going to click on the apartment that I and my friends are interested in. We're going to go to Lashana 140. Click Save and Continue. Once you click on it, make sure that it's orange. Click Save and Continue. In this area, you're going to have 5 minutes to assign you and your friends which bed you would like. Note that this can go quickly, so as a group, please make sure that you talk about who you'd like to have in each bed. You can view the bed schematics by clicking on bed schematics here. If you click Shift on your keyboard and click bed schematics, it'll come up with another window. I want to look at what this apartment looks like, so I'm going to go Lashana. These will show you kind of what they are. So I'm going to assign my bed now, 146. I'm going to be with my friend, test user 2. This is who you're going to be with. If you look at this A and this B, this is showing who's in this room. These 2 people will have in these next rooms. Lashana 147A, 147B, 148A, and 148B. So again, these mean that I and this person are going to be in the same room. Test user 4, test user 5 will be in one room together, and test user 1 and test user 3 will be in this room together. So now that I know these are how I'd like them, I'm going to click Reserve Beds. That means that we have went through this process. I'm going to look at this here. This is where it's showing where we all are. So it'll have where your beds are. You can view these people's profiles. This is the apartment 140, so this is where we will be. Make sure that you come down to the end here and click Save and Continue. At this point, you will fill out your housing contract. At the end of this, you'll click that you've read and understand it and be able to move on to status. For your other friends in the group, they will already be placed in a bed when they get to rooms, as you will have placed them there, so they can go straight to their housing contract, click that they agree, and move on to status, and at that point you are reserved. As an individual, you'll be going through this process the same way. The difference will be that you will want to make sure that you're in the second phase. Phase 1 is required to fill, so there aren't any individual rooms that people will be able to fill with only one bed in them. In the second phase, everything will be open on campus. So a group of 3 could be an apartment with one person, and so people can kind of figure out where they want to be. If you have more questions, you can contact us at housing@georgefox.edu or come stop by our office, the 3rd floor in the Stevens building.